Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay May 3, 2023, Miyerkules. Welcome po sa Wednesday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ang special news po natin ay tungkol sa AP at maraming po salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. And lately there has been news about interest rates, hike ng interest rates, especially po sa US. So titingnan po natin yan mamaya. Ako po si Benji Chidoro. Ako po isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, naimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Again, get well soon to my cousin Mari. Sana makarecover ka na. Huwag kayong alis dahil babalita ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-3 ng Mayo, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay nandito po sa Video Securities. Sa Sector and Company News, AP Core Profit surge 157.1% in the first quarter of 2023. AEV Core earnings up 44% in the first quarter also. ACEN secures energy deals for projects in Australia, and SCC expanding generation business studies shift to LNG, liquefied natural gas. But I saw this earlier. GMA posts 71.5% income decline, blames absence of political ads. Ito po yung first quarter income, Dahil po yung first quarter last year mas mataas kaysa this year. And it is understandable dahil wala namang, it was election year last year at today, and this quarter wala naman po tayong election. So nag-decline yung kanyang first quarter income. And then I also saw this stock slide, dollar mixed before rate calls. And this paragraph here, the U.S. Central Bank is widely expected to raise its benchmark lending rate for a 10th and possibly final time in the current cycle by another quarter point, meaning 25 basis points, as it looks to tackle stubborn inflation through interest rate hikes. Kaya po, nagiging bearish po ang ating index at most of the stocks are down. And then there's another article here. Oil prices tumble. Ang nangyayari is that there might be an oversupply. Oil prices tumbled with the main international contract Brent North Sea under $76 per barrel. Yan po. At nakita mo natin, nagre-reflect po yan sa Philippine market na dahan-dahan pong bumababa ang ating presyo ng gasolina. So let's now go to our main news, and this is from, actually it's a special feature on Aboitiz, and this is a reiterate buy following earnings beat. Elevated power prices lift profits in the first quarter, so core profits went up 157%, and then generation business driven by higher contracted revenues, and one of them is Meralco. Constricted power supply outlook, so may shortage po ng power supply in the coming weeks or months. Maintained buy with a target price of 47 pesos. So hindi po nagbago ang target price, and there is a buy rating from the BDO Securities Brokerage. Yan po. So, let's now go to your comments. And I saw some here. Si Danilo Mir, Good day sir, pakisuyo naman po ng FA at TA ng ALLHC. Salamat po. Okay, sige po Danilo, bigay po natin yan. Raquel Robrigado, sir, pag may sipon nag-positive yung anak ko, 2 times deny nasa Japan na pinauwi pa. Walang lagnat, di naman nagkasakit. Pamilya, trangkaso lang yan, sir. Ikaw talaga, Raquel. Nag-positive nga ako eh. Kaya nga ako nandito sa bahay eh. Hindi ako pumasok eh. Okay, salamat Raquel. Mike Miguel, kindly include APX sa stock review. Salamat. I personally think this can be the best performing stock this year given its valuation and everything that's happening globally. Okay po, Mike, we'll do that. So let's now go to our index. Hindi pa po nagko-close, 241 pa po. Pero, it's down 50.02 points. Nasa 6622.67. So, it's sideways to bearish actually itong ating index. And it is affected by the sentiment, yung rates sa US mag-aakyat na naman or magtataas na naman siya, stock slide, dollar mixed, and we are affected here. And I think the central bank is also contemplating a 25 basis points rate hike. Sinasabayan lang po niya ang US. And then the most active stock is SEC-B, nasa 0.27% down. BDO is 3.10%, the second most active. Third is RLC, up 0.41%. Ali is up 0.36% and BPI is down 0.82%. Yan po ang mga most active stocks. Meanwhile, APX is one of the most active, nasa 6.23. Re-reviewin po natin mamaya as the market closes. So I'll be back later as the market closes. Don't go away. All right, we're back. And the index, naku, bumagsak siya. Nasa 66 points down. 6606.69 or 0.99%, almost 1%, Laki ng binagsak. It's because probably the market sentiment on interest rates, Na market activity naman, 91 ang nag-decline, 86 ang umabante, 56 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index bumaba din ng 0.61%. Samantala, ang mga sectoral indices natin ay lahat bumaba except for mining, up by 0.56%. Ang pagbagsak ay pinangunahan ng financials at 1.69%. Meanwhile, the most active stock is BDO, followed by SEC-B, RLC, Ali, and TEL. But we will be taking a look at the following stocks: APX, ALLHC, AP, AEV, and ACEN. So let's now go to the first one. APX muna tayo. APX. Ang ganda, umakyat siya. So, meron po siyang cash dividends na 5.36 centavos per share or a yield of 1.79%. The ex-date is May 10 and payment date is June 5. Pero patuloy na umaakyat itong Apex Mining. Ngayon, meron ba siyang profits? Meron. Siguro lumabas dito. Lumabas po siya dito noong March. And this is the 2022 earnings report with a net income of 3.34 billion, up 408% from the previous year, and that is why it has been moving up. Yan po si Apex Mining. I think this is a 52-week high now that we are looking at the price, 3 pesos and 5 centavos. The 52-week high is 312, which it achieved today. Yan po, si Apex Mining. Tingnan natin kung makikita natin ang resistance. Layo. So the last time it had that price was dito pa, January 2017. And yung pinaka-resistance po nandito eh. Nasa 350 more or less ha. 350 nakikita ko kung 340 to 350 po yung pinaka-resistance niya. Lagyan natin ng plot, ano? I would say 340 to 350 yan. Yan po ang pinaka-resistance niya. Pero napakalayo na po nito ha. September 2016 po to November 2016 yung historical resistance po niya. Yun, napakalayo. Ngayon, ang pinaka-support po, there is a support forming here, but again, let's take a look at the 1-week chart. Ito ang support niya. Nandito. Nasa 211. Pinaka-support po ng Apex. And, ang stock po is overbought ha. Ito po. Balik natin sa 1 day. Overbought po siya. Yan, ang laki ng overbought niya, no? Up to now, it's still overbought. Yan po yung mga overbought levels. Kasi po, maganda po yung earnings ni Apex eh. Maganda po yung earnings niya. Ayan, no? 3.34 billion as of December 31, which is more than 400% than the previous year. Yan po siya. I think ito lang po ay continuation. It is bullish at patuloy pa po siyang umaakyat si Apex Mining. And then next we have ALLHC. Si ALLHC, bearish pa rin si ALLHC. It's tapering already and we are seeing signs that the downtrend is tapering off, but I cannot say that for sure since yung long-term indicator, yung 100-day moving average, straight down pa rin siya. Yan, straight down pa rin. Actually, may hangganan naman po yung down eh. Hindi naman forever babagsak ang isang stock. ALLHC pa yan, Ayala Land Logistics, a good company, but it's market sentiment that's pulling it down. Actually, ang complement niya po is Ayala Land, si Ali. Tinitingnan ko po yung fundamentals ni ALLHC. Wala palang fundamental study itong si BDOSEC. Wala siya dito. Pero meron po si Ayala Land. Ayala Land may target price po na 38 pesos buy rating. But ALLHC, I thought meron din pala wala. Walang study si BDOSEC. But it has been on a downtrend since Yan po si ALLHC. Ngayon, well, ang pinaka-nearest resistance, nakikita ko dito 294 to 3 pesos po But the support level, it's already near support na to Yan, 282. 294 is the next higher support. And still, it is a downtrend. Ito pong si ALLHC. Nasa baba po yung mga RSIs niya. So not a good sign for ALLHC. But ALLHC is a good company. So kung long-term investor po kayo, just hold on to the stock. And then, pagkatapos si Aboitiz Power. Tingnan muna natin si Aboitiz Power. Uy, turning bullish na siya si Aboitiz Power ha. It's turning bullish. The earnings report came out here, 31% up from last year. Nasa 29.55 billion. Not bad. Power company ito And everybody needs power, Nagbigay po siya ng dividends of 1.87 with a dividend rate of 494, almost 5%. Yan po, si Aboitiz Power. Tingin ko, moving sideways pa rin. Support nandito po sa 36.56. Resistance, the higher one is here at 39 to 40 pesos. Okay. And then, AEV. Aboitiz Equity Ventures. Naman ay bullish na si Aboitiz Equity. Although, hindi naman po nagkaroon ng breakout ito, yesterday or the other day, April 28, it turned bullish dahil sunod-sunod yung green candlesticks po niya, which is a good sign. Although today, nagkaroon ng profit taking down 25 centavos. So, yan po si AEV. Support, nandito po sa 50 pesos and 50 centavos. And the resistance, very near this area or within this area, 59.45. Support and resistance, di po yung exact points, areas po siya. And then finally, we have ACEN. Maraming projects si ACEN Si Ayala Corporation, bearish din. Market sentiment is pulling the stock down. Maganda naman yung earnings niya, 14.6 billion, up 90.42%. But in spite of that, the bearish sentiment is pulling the price down. Support is here at 590. And the nearest resistance, I see it here at 650. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-3 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.